evening, folks. A very good evening to the distinguished guest, Deshmukh sir, Mrs. Mehta and Dunia sir. It's a privilege and honor to be here, and especially when I have such beautiful audience in front of me. So the moment becomes all the more special and pleasurable for me. So thank you once again for all of you to be here today. Before I begin, I'll just narrate a small incident on a lighter note. There was this fellow who came on vacation. He was on a vacation. He was traveling around, and on the last day of his stay, he rented his car and he took away to the countryside to visit some locals. While he was there, the lane got narrower and narrower, and it was a beautiful countryside. We all know how it looks. So it was just narrowing, and eventually he landed up to a flock of sheep. Now in that flock of sheep, he just saw one ship coming first, then he saw the second ship coming, the third ship, and so on. Then he encountered the entire flock of the sheep. The shepherd over there, he asked him, are you a traveler here? So this gentleman who was traveling vagabond, he said, yes, I am a traveler. Are you the shepherd? He said, yes, I am the shepherd. And the traveler, got a little mischievous, and he said, are you a sport? Will you be able to answer a question of mine? He said, we'll go on. And he asked, if I guess the exact number in the flock, would you allow me to take one ship out of it? He said, okay. He thought for a moment, okay, what is this guy up to? And finally he relented and he said, yes, sure, I'll do that. So this guy, he made some gestures and he saw in the sky and some counting in it on his fingertips, and finally he came out with the figure 2373 ship. And this guy is astonished for a moment. What has happened? And how did you guess that? So the traveler, as promised, and as they had made the deal, he walked to one of the sheep and one of the animals, and he picked up the animal. So the shepherd shouted at that moment, "Stop!" He said, "You have picked my favorite animal. Now be a sport, and now I'll ask you a question." He said to the traveler, "You have picked up my favorite animal. Let's have another game. Let me now ask you one question, and if you answer that right, you will give me the animal back." And he said, "Okay, fine." So he said, are you a venture capitalist? So he said, yeah, but how did you guess it? Because out of all the animals, you picked up the dog. So Dunia sir, on a very soft note, so that is how funding maybe, it engulfs ultimately and how it goes. So I being a Marwadi in Agarwal, so for me, growing up in numbers, growing up in figures, growing up in finance is no new thing. So whenever I used to talk to my friends, colleagues, who many of them are entrepreneurs, my wife included, so this finance things has always been something which we all are jittery about. We at some point of time, when we want to start something,